Hello, sir. I I working with this Unity GitHub and the Visual Studio Code, and I making five C sharp folder. And after that, I already create cube, and it's working with defined the name, and I defined here the public for string and the name, and this code it's correct. And I write all this code because I don't need take many time. I have some problem with this code and I record this many time, but I ask you in the FK about the problem when I apply this code, and I don't see anything here, but I forget to click play. And now I want to explain this, the difference between when I print your name and when I enable this not working now, and save this, and I come back here and open the console, and as you see, and when I come back here and enable this and save this and come back here and 1 minute and click play, yeah, as you see it's working. When I change my name to another name to okay, this change. I think you know this is working now, and I stop the recording and I write more practice, and after that I record this and I explain. And now I working with the function. I touch a function and I bring it to the queue, and it's maybe appear here. Okay, okay. And for the second script, as you see, I write the code from I defined the integer number, it's 7, and after that I defined the name for this a1, and I click print a1, and after that integer value for 5 and print 5. I do both together. I mean, I do for the 14 and the 15 it will be print for 7, this the first code, and the second code for number 5. If I this number 5, it's we have number 5, and it return in the last code with va1 plus 10. This means I have 15, and I save this. If I need, okay, I do this again and I click play. I think you see here it's I get 14 and 15. This for the second. And for the third script, for the script statement int, I I define the variable this f score. I mean f score, it's bigger than 16 and smaller than 75. I print passed, and else if this is not working, I print if the score is bigger than 75 and bigger than 100, I print pass 12, and if the score equal 100, I print best to great, and else print try again if I define the score it's less than all the given number here. I mean, if I try from 0 and 2, I mean the score smaller than 16, and we can check, and we save this now and save, and we go here and have 0. Okay, and we click play. Okay, as you see, try again. 100, best grade. 80. Also try again. I should write here. Yeah, I should write bigger than 75 and bigger than 100. Okay, I need this bus 12. I can write. Okay, 76 or 80. I think bus 12 we must write. Where is bus 12? Yeah, bus 12 is a score bigger than 75 and smaller than the problem here. Smaller than 100. Yeah, we can try now. Do we save this? Save this and come here and if I try to put number, it's smaller than 100, like 80. Saying it will be changed. Okay, 100 best degree. Okay, it's bigger than. We can do this again. Okay, with 0 try again. With 100 best degree. With 80 I hope this working. Best one. Okay, here it is. Okay, and for the third it's working now. And I try with 0. Try again with 100. With 80 between 100 and 75. Best one. And stop recording. And now for script statement string, I define the public string name, and after that I if name equal Walid, print you are Walid. If else print you are not Walid if I not write my name. And I already save this and I play this, and as you see, because we don't have anything here, you are not Walid. If I write my name, okay, it's as you see, you are Walid. If you are not Walid, if I delete something from my name, and this before the last code, this working for script statement string, and for the last script, it's a statement boolean, and I write here as you see if student. The first I define the public bool student, and if student equal true, print best, else print try again. And this code working. If I save this and come back here, okay. Okay, try again. If I mark this for the student, best. Okay, this is for the first, and